Research has proven that the more productive you are as an individual or startup founder, the better your results in general. Technology is supposed to make us more productive, but the challenge is that every day we are bombarded with tons of useful and false information which might end up affecting our output. So here are a few tools to help improve our output. First up is Way of Life. This is a free app that helps you develop healthy habits. It has reminders that you can set up on specific days. These could help you stay on track, and it also helps monitor negative habits that you would like to change. Another one is ClearLock, and it helps control your mobile phone instead of the other way around. It is a productivity tool which allows you block all distracting apps on your device. And the third one is Todoist. This helps you keep track of everything from simple errands to complex projects. Get all your tasks and thoughts out of your head and onto your to-do list anytime, anywhere, across all your devices. And TAMS is a human resources management tool that improves the focus and productivity of your team by curbing apathy, lateness, time theft, and absenteeism. And there you have it. Productivity is important for both organizations and individuals, and these tools can help greatly. And that's our tech tips for today.